Hello and welcome in this video. If you are new, welcome to this channel. If you are already from our family, welcome back and welcome to see me in this video today. So please support us with a like and subscribe to our channel. And please, if you still didn't subscribe yet, just hit that subscription option below. Thank you so much and let's start. So firstly, let's talk about Amazon Mechanical Turk. This website is quite interesting for the people who want to join to get benefits, earn money, and more, especially for the people who are willing to work online from home. This website is quite interesting and it's quite good. Of course, Amazon is a trusted website which we all know. Maybe you hear about it before, maybe some of your family members or your friends they may use it before, or you also have been heard about it in the internet or in your daily life. So Amazon Mechanical Turk is a website where you can earn some extra cash, and here in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and how you can enroll, how you can apply for this platform, because most of the people they know about it, they apply for it, but because maybe they are not that much interested or eligible to work with them, they don't work and they skip it and they just say there is no money here, we cannot have our opportunity in this website. So let's put all these things aside and start our explanation. So as you can see here, Amazon Mechanical Turk or Turk is a crowdsourcing marketplace that makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their processes and jobs to a distributed workforce who can perform these tasks virtually. This could include anything from conducting simple data validation and search to more subjective tasks like survey participation, content moderation, and more, and enables companies to harness or to collect intelligence skills insights from a global workforce to streamline business processes, augment data collection and analysis, and accelerate machine learning development. So here are some benefits. The first one is that you are going to optimize efficiency. Is well suited to take on simple and repetitive tasks in your workflows, which need to be handled manually. Using mTurk to outsource microtasks ensures that work gets done quickly. And more, increased flexibility. Scaling up and down a workforce isn't the easiest undertaking, so you just enable businesses like in this platform to get work done easier and quickly, reduce the cost if you are going to sell, or if you are going to put your works over here. It also having low costs is having average like according to the task which you are going to give to the people. Or if you are going to work over here, it is also beneficial for your like income or your extra cash. Here are more information about it, and here are get started with Amazon Turk. So here you can have two options. If you are willing to make money from this platform, you can request a worker account. But if you are going to create tasks, a human intelligence through an API or access a global on-demand like 24 per 7 workforce, you can create a requester account. Okay, and globally, requester account is accepted in this platform. And generally speaking, the request a worker account is quite harder than requester account. Okay, so for me, I already have my account. As you can see here, I am having a dashboard qualifications, and here are the tasks. The head groups are from 1 to 20 of 658. Here are the requester, James Billings, Syrian language, more and more. You can see here there are so many tasks to do, but first of all you have to qualify for all these works. So as you can see here, all the details about the tasks you can complete within 60 minutes, in 10 days it can expire, or you can complete in 10 minutes, and you can also complete within 30 minutes, 4 minutes, and more and more. But most of the tasks require people who are from the US. Some of them require you to have the hit approval rate is greater than 81%. Okay, you can work up to 720 minutes, is about 1 day or 2 days maybe. Here are some service study lab qualifications required. So as you can see, here are so many qualifications. You can earn 253 by $0.75. You can just give some multiplication and then you will see how much you can earn. $0.05. So if you can take all this work, there are so many options here. Four minutes ago, 0.01 hits are 490. Okay, $0.08, more and more, 0.6, and so many others. So I just want to show you that in this website you can earn up to maybe $100 or $200 according to your work and your performance. And so I think that's all about our today's video. Thank you so much for watching me, and